Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be putting text a longer path. It's really quite easy actually, I'm not going to lie to you. So let's get straight into it. First thing we need is a Fusion composition. So go to your master or media pool just here up on your right. Go to a blank area, right click and go create new Fusion composition or even new Fusion composition. Call it text on path. And you need to drag that into your timeline, stretch it out to give it some time. Make sure you're over it like that, and then go down and click on Fusion. So here we are inside of Fusion. First thing we're going to do is grab a text node, which is on the toolbar just here. Drag that in, connect it across, and let's type in some text. Then we need to go to the Layout tab, which is the one next to the text. Where it says point in the top one here, change that to path. And then if you look, it gives us a little X, and we can actually just create our path. Like so. Now to animate the text going along the path, what we do is we go up to, I've gone to frame 0, we go to position on path. And as I move it, you see what happens, it moves along the path. So bring it to about there, create a keyframe. Go to where you want it to finish, so you could say, have it finish at say frame 18 like that. And then move the position along path like so. And then when you play it back, there we are. If you want to speed it up, there's a couple of ways to do it. I normally just click on the spline path like that and hit zoom to fit. And then what you can do is just right click just here and holding the shift key while you're doing it, just grab that arrow and just move it across. And you can speed it up and slow it down. Right, let's put that to some practical use. I'm going to delete that out and start again. Let's bring in some footage. Let's grab our roller coaster footage. Where are you? There we are. So here's our roller coaster footage. Right, so now we need to add a text node. So we're going to grab it from the toolbar just here. We're going to connect it across like so. We're going to type in some text. We need to change the font color because it's the same as the background at the moment. Let's make it like a reddish, like that. We're going to move it up. We're going to change the font as well because it doesn't really suit what we're doing. So I like that one. That's the Ocean Drift font. And then we need to go to the Layout tab just here, and we need to change that from point to path like so. And we're going to come over here, zoom in a little bit, and create some points. Right, to animate it, what we're going to do is we are going to find out when our roller coaster comes in, which is around about frame 85. And the roller coaster finishes at about frame 160. So we'll go to say frame 120, clicking on our text, on our position on path, we're going to make a keyframe there, and we're going to pull it back. Then we're going to go through to frame, say 180, and then we're going to move it along its path like so. And now when we play that back, very cool. So text to path, very powerful tool. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do this. Oh my God, that hurt. So stay tuned. See you in the next one. Bye.